Hi kids, today we'll be talking the talk by walking the walk. Recently, I participated in a walkathon. Here's a video of it. While watching the video, I could easily connect it with the sign rules for multiplying and dividing integers. Here's how I did it. Let's consider watching the video in normal mode as positive and people walking forward as positive. So, when we watch people walking forward in normal mode, we see everyone walking forward, which is positive. The same holds true when we multiply integers. A positive integer when multiplied by another positive integer gives us a positive integer. Now, let's watch the video in reverse. Since we considered watching the video in normal mode as positive, we will now take watching the video in reverse as negative. What do we see? Everyone appears to be walking backwards. We will take this as negative. This holds true in multiplication too. A positive integer when multiplied by a negative integer gives us a negative integer. So, there was another walkathon I had participated in. This was a weird one. We had to walk backwards. Crazy idea, right? Let's watch a video of that. Here, we're watching people walking backward, which is negative. We're watching the video in normal mode, which is positive. The result is we see people walking backward, which is a negative. So, a negative integer multiplied by a positive integer gives us a negative integer. Now, let's watch this video in reverse. People walking backward is negative. Watching in reverse mode is negative. What do you see? Everyone appears to be walking forward, which is a positive. Similarly, a negative integer multiplied by a negative integer gives us a positive integer. So, in a nutshell, if we multiply integers with the same signs, the result bears a positive sign. If we multiply integers with opposite signs, the result bears a negative sign. Let's see how we can multiply negative 12 and negative 3. As the first step, ignore the signs and just multiply the numbers 12 and 3, which gives us 36. Now, assign the sign to the product using the sign rule. Since we are multiplying numbers with the same sign, the answer should have a positive sign. The answer is positive 36. And since division is the inverse operation of multiplication, the same sign rules hold true when we divide integers. Go ahead and use these rules while I register myself for another walkathon.